AspenClean is Canada's premier eco-friendly cleaning service. Our professional teams use our own Canadian-made non-toxic EcoCert certified products to clean your home. Many cleaning companies use household products or industrial-grade cleaners with chemicals like chlorine and bleach. From dish soap to glass cleaner, AspenClean creates vegan products that are effective and chemical and toxin-free for a safer, fresher clean every time. We consider our environmental footprint in all our decisions and strive for zero waste by refilling bottles, reusing cloths, and using biodegradable garbage bags. AspenClean products are fully biodegradable, and our bottles are made from 100% recycled materials. Our experienced teams clean quickly and thoroughly, with training and attention to detail you won't find with most other cleaning services. AspenClean only hires people with a passion for detailed cleaning. We provide competitive wages and reward excellence to ensure your home is cleaned by someone who really cares about the results. Your home is your personal space, and when you trust someone to clean it, you look for reliability, quality, and great service every time. That's what AspenClean delivers. And it's why our customers have rated us the top cleaning service 3 years in a row. You can find our service across Canada from Vancouver to Toronto. AspenClean products are available for sale in stores across Canada and online in the United States. When you want someone to clean your home with care and without the unhealthy chemicals, you want AspenClean home cleaning services. Safer for you, your children, your pets, and the planet on a whole. AspenClean. Book online or call today for fast service and guaranteed results.